Hi, my name is Nadine.
My name is Dina,
I volunteer with Al-Hijrah.
and I'm volunteering with Islamic Relief.
My name is Khadija.
And I'm Radia.
We're volunteers with Islamic Relief for the Turkey Drive.
My name is Jamil, and we're here for volunteering with Islamic Relief USA. This year we're doing a turkey drive. Basically, we're helping 300 families with their Thanksgiving meal.
My name is Shahir. I'm also a volunteer at Islamic Relief.
Assalamu alaikum, dear brothers and sisters. My name is Tayyiba Haidari and I'm the Deputy Director of Social Services at the Al-Hijrah Islamic Center.
My name is Asra Al-Makhtari. I'm working here at the Social Services Office at Al-Hijrah as a case manager. We're doing our turkey distribution today with the help of Islamic Relief.
It's been a great pleasure serving our community members and congregants. And today, this morning, we had our food distribution with partnership Islamic Relief USA. Thank you to our volunteers.
Islamic Relief has helped us a lot, especially with all of the volunteers they have provided. The Social Services Office at Al-Hijrah is very small, so we could have not done this without them. Happy to serve our community in this way and spread love and help the people that need it. Thank you so much, and Jazakallah kull khair.